All right, let's get this together. Give me a few seconds. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Ah ah ah. All right. Y'all know I'm silly. Okay. Hey there guys, it's your girl Maya here. I am back with another video, and I told you guys in my previous video that I had some news to share with you. So here it is. I am pregnant. I'm expecting my first child. I'm about 5 months pregnant. I don't know if you can tell in this little video here. I'll show you guys my little bum. This little belly here. Say hi. It's a girl, guys. So baby Mo, little baby Mo is in there in the house. So that is kind of why I have been all inconsistent with my posting. I had the worst morning sickness. I'm sure most ladies, or a good majority of ladies, can relate to me in that regard. So it was hard for me to post and get the energy to edit, and it was just a mess, y'all. I was so tired. I was so tired. I am back though. I just wanted to clarify that. But I'm back with a video because that is like super big news, and it does pertain to my hair because I know a lot of ladies have issues or different changes that happens in their hair when they are pregnant, and I wanted to share some of the things that have been going on with me in the little 5 months that I've been pregnant. So this video is all about sister locks and pregnancy. So if you're interested to learn more about what's been going on with my hair, things that I've been dealing with, make sure you stay tuned. Also, I noticed that I get a huge amount of ladies and gentlemen watching my videos, and I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying the content. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel to make sure that you're able to get updates on the latest posts, the latest videos, and so that I can know, because I get tons of comments and you guys are awesome. First of all, we're gonna talk about this in the next video about Sisterlock regrets, but y'all were not playing when I told you all about my experience in that story time. Y'all were on it and all for me, and I love you guys for it. So make sure you comment and let me know if there's anything specifically that you want me to talk about or that you're wondering about with my hair so far, especially during pregnancy, because there's so many different changes and things that you can be going through. So just wanted to make sure that I put that out there too. Don't forget, like I said, like and subscribe. Anywho, so let's talk about the awesome parts of pregnancy, the pros that I've noticed with my hair since then while pregnant. One of them is that I've noticed that there's been a lot of growth in my hair, and I mentioned that in my previous video. I am still doing the same routine with my oils and stuff, and I actually just posted, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I do post hair content and also wellness content and overall self-care on my Instagram as well. So I did post a reel all about that, about how I oil my scalp and I do my scalp massages, because even though my hair has grown, I've noticed that I've had this weird, I had dandruff before, but I noticed that my hair was drier, almost like eczema. And I had eczema as a kid, hadn't really had any flare-ups recently, but pregnancy brings a lot of things out of you, I noticed. So you know, I had like eczema on the palms of my hands, on my elbows, on my, like, under my arms. It was weird, and I was like, where is this coming from? Like, oh yeah, you're pregnant. I talked to my doctor, and she was like, yeah honey, I can't give you any other explanation besides you're pregnant. So and I love that excuse because it basically means ain't nothing I can do for you. So I kind of took charge of that for myself. I treated my eczema on my hands just by making sure, because as a nurse I do wash my hands a lot, so I just made sure I use Aquaphor Vaseline when I wash my hair. When I wash my hands. And then for my hair, I just made sure that I did use the oils that I had from Design Essential and the serums to really make sure that my hair and my scalp were taken care of, and that really helped. I haven't really had too many dry patches since then, so that even though, like I said, my hair has been growing, that is one thing that I've experienced. Another good point though that I loved about Sisterlocks, which you see me looking down, is because I have notes per usual. Didn't want to forget anything. One of the things that I did notice is that I'm so glad that I had Sisterlocks, and reason being is because, as I mentioned, I had morning sickness. I was so tired, so fatigued. I was vomiting, could barely keep anything down, and it was just really sucky. For that whole first trimester, it really was. I was like processing that I was gonna be a mom, and then I was sick all the time, and there was like nothing that I could do about it. So having my Sisterlocks during that time, and literally being able to spray water on my hair and go really helped me look somewhat put together during that time. The only thing I continued to maintain was getting my brows done, y'all, and get my lashes done, which she would just let me sleep because I would be so tired. And the same for my Sisterlock consultant. When I told her I was pregnant, she's like, I already knew. She just knew, because she was retightening my hair, and I was like falling asleep. It was so bad. That first trimester, I was really tired. So I was really thankful that I had Sisterlocks, because it did allow me so much flexibility. And I always kind of looked like I was put together, because even on those days that I wasn't, I could pull it in a puff and it was cute. I could put on a headband and I was cute. I could put it half up, half down. Like, my hair was always done, so I just didn't have to worry about it. So that was a huge pro of me having Sisterlocks. Another thing was since I was having that dry scalp and the little patchy parts that I mentioned previously, I did kind of lay off washing my hair as much as I was before, even with working out, because I just noticed, I think that was also contributing to the dryness, was just that I was washing my hair, and I was only doing it like every 2 weeks. But that which I thought was enough, because I sweat from working out and from training clients and from doing things, just running around, and I thought I was doing more, but I think it was just having the reverse effect on my hair. So I really have started only like washing my hair right before my retie, or at my retightening. So yeah, about 3 to 4 weeks, y'all. I just make sure that I really air out my scalp afterwards. I use a lot of steam in the shower, kind of letting my scalp breathe or whatnot. I'm still braiding and banding, but I did notice that was not where it was at for me. Washing my hair all the time was just stripping my hair of its natural oils, and I didn't need that. Nobody wants flaky dandruff or even dry patches. So I had to figure out a good ratio. Like I said, for me, it's every 3 to 4 weeks from my hair. I just noticed that, and I'm fine with that, because then that means I don't have to do much. Another thing too that I've noticed with my Sisterlocks though is that my scalp is way more sensitive when it comes to retightening. I never had an issue, or I never was tender-headed. I was natural my whole life. So detangling and press and curl and all of that process, where you had pretty much was getting your hair pulled on for hours, that never bothered me. I never had issues with it. However, during pregnancy, my scalp has become way more tender. I actually got my hair retightened, I want to say almost a week and a half ago, and y'all, my head was still tight yesterday. Like, I still can't do a lot of tension styles. Like, I pulled my hair into a braid. I had it up, like this, all in one braid yesterday, for a cute, just quick style. And woo, when I say that tension, it was just too much on my head. I could not do it. And I'm like, I should have some new growth in here. I thought it would be like good, but it's just the pulling. My scalp can't take it, and the tension was just too much on my hair. That's partly why I haven't been doing any cute like little updos and stuff like that, because until my hair is dang near ready to like almost get a retie, any pulling or tension on my scalp is just too much. I just can't. And so I be wanting to do like, oh, I'm gonna just do a half up, half down, and this and that. So all I can really do is like maybe curls, twist outs, braid outs, that kind of stuff. And they have to be loose. So that's also why I haven't done a braid out, because I like to do the French braided look. But pulling on my head right now, so no, it's not happening. My scalp is like way too sensitive, and I just, even with oil, even with everything else, I don't want to add any unnecessary tension to my head, and I don't want to be in pain. So I'm just gonna, we just gonna stick with the roller sets and the other things that are simpler for my hair in the interim. Yeah, so those are some of the things that have been going on with my hair and with me while I've been pregnant. If you guys have any questions, I'm definitely gonna of course share, continue to share as things go, because right at this point, since it's May, the crazy, man, it's crazy, it's almost been a year since I got my Sisterlocks installed. We started at the end of June, we ended in July. Watch my story, my story time a couple videos ago, and you'll understand how that even happened. Sometimes I don't understand myself. Honestly. But yeah, it'll be almost a year since I got my Sisterlocks installed. So yeah, I'm hoping that I get to color my hair soon, y'all, because I know you guys, everybody always comments that they love the color of my hair and things like that. And so now I'm even sadder because now I gotta wait until the baby gets here, and I'm not due until September. So now I'm like, I already waited all this time, sis, for my hair to get colored. Now I gotta wait till after the baby. Woosah. So halfway during this movie, during these videos, y'all gonna see this hair color like grow straight out, because you can already see like the hair color is just slowly going down. It's, yeah, but I'm excited though, because I want to refresh it. It was like, I love vibrant reds, and that's kind of just my family, like my hair family, and I feel like it looks good on me normally. The auburns and the reds and that kind of color. So once baby is born, I will finally get to color my hair. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to color it, or if I'm going to allow someone else to color it for me. I don't know yet, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to see me color my hair? I will try it for you. I will try it. If it's really bad, I'll just go and get it color corrected, later on. But I will definitely try to color my hair if I can. If I feel unconfident, I'll just film me getting it done by a professional, one or the other. So I'll let you know. I can at least try. I feel like, what's the harm in trying? You never know. At this point, I feel like my locks should be in, and I'm taking good care of them, so hopefully they will be healthy enough once baby is out and safe that I can just go ahead and do some coloring, because this not where it's at for me. Y'all, look, this is a whole different color. Like, sis, this is all black. That's not on purpose. Like, this is not supposed to be ombre. It's not. But that just shows all the growth I've had since I've gotten my Sisterlocks installed. So yeah. But anywho, if you guys have any questions, please comment below. I love talking with you guys in the comments, so please make sure that you do so. Let me know if there's anything that I didn't cover in this video. Again, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the latest videos and get updates on when I post. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, you should. Sis, what's holding you back? You might as well just go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because yeah, you get all the good things, all the cool pictures, and all the updates on my blog and all that good stuff. So yes, go ahead and do that. I'll put the link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.